I've always been about trying new and different things. And at the time that I signed Soulja Boy, I had no idea that it was going to do what it did.
Right.
And what was dope about Soulja Boy is that he had more to offer than any of us knew.
Right.
And what struck me, I didn't even know at the time, was his marketing mind.
Yeah.
It was crazy. He had the marketing mind of somebody who had gone to Yale or something like that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So after we signed Soulja Boy, everything was always me partnering up with him, figuring out a way to get his vision to the world.
Right.
And that was the combination of what we did. You know, my kind of what I did with Yin Yang with the music is what I did with him over his everything.
Okay.
I didn't really touch the music with him the way that I touched Yin Yang. And but even with them, it's like I can't make up that shit they be on. You know what I mean? So it's like I'm like a good coach. You know what I mean? And so it took off. When I signed him, he was a kid, and going into the second album, he started growing up. And by the end of the second album, he had become a young man.
Right.
You know, and so it's like you gotta let those young cats grow.
Right.
And let them do what they want to do. And you know, I mean, because we did what we did together, and that was kind of the way we saw it going. And then, you know, as he became a young man, he started seeing the way he wanted to go. So I mean, he's made it this far. I can only respect that.
Right.
And let him, you know, it's almost like you don't see Jimmy Iovine with his hand on, you know, Lady Gaga's shoulder all the time. So I had to kind of respect that and step off and just be a record company.
Right.
And let him do him.
Okay.
And do I agree with some of the stuff he does? No. Is the direction that he's going in now, I would do a lot of things a little different. But again, that's Soulja Boy, and he's always done what he wanted to do his way, and it got him to where he is now. So,
right. If it ain't broken, don't fix it.
Right.
Right.
You know, but going into the third album, you know, we'll come back together and put our heads back together and figure out the best way to go into, because that's all I care about, the album cycle.
Right.
All that stuff in between
is irrelevant.
It's not irrelevant.
Right.
You know, but it doesn't count.
Okay.
Like things count when you put an album out. So.
All right.